Startup checking of Abdullah dough kneader 3.5 kg for Daraz order on 17th October 2023. This is the shipping label. Metal plate installed inside. Extra plastic plate is also included. Measuring flask. Warranty booklet. Machine is okay from all the sides. No damages, no breakages. This is the back side. Everything is okay. We'll show you from the bottom also. There are no breakages. It is absolutely okay. We start it now. Machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It easily makes dough within 5 minutes. So it's a lifesaver for the housewife nowadays. You can see the timer has come to the off position and the machine has automatically stopped. Now we'll pack it for Daraz.